Hi everyone, my name is Jade from Australian Beauty. I'm a professional makeup artist and a beauty therapist. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this simple eyeshadow look using the Treasure Chest palette from Mellow Cosmetics. The first shade I'm going to be taking out of the Treasure Chest palette is this beautiful rose gold shade, and I'm just going to be popping that all over my lid. The next shade I'm going to be taking is the shade Onyx, and I'm going to be taking that on an angled brush and focusing it on my lash line. I'm also going to be winging it out a little bit. With my wing, I'm wanting to make sure it goes up towards the end of my eyebrow. We want to be bringing the eye up, not dragging it down. Remember to drag it up towards the end of your eyebrow, not bringing it down. The next product I'm going to be taking is the Eye of Horus Goddess Mascara. I particularly like this product because of the spoolie. I find it really gets into my eyelashes and lifts them up. For a little bit more of a smoky, more glam effect, I'm going to be taking the shade Onyx. It's just on my outer third of my eye, so if you don't know where your outer third is, you're going to want to look straight into a mirror. Exactly where the black dot is in your pupil, that is where your outer third is. I don't want to bring it in too close to my inner corner because I don't want my eyes to look too closed in. I still want them to look lifted and wide open. Now for an even more glam effect, I'm going to be going in with the Ardell Wispies in black. I do really like these lashes because I find they really enhance my eye shape and I find they're nice and wispy. A tip for applying your eyelashes, the first thing you're going to want to do is have a little mirror around you and kind of just measure it and see if it fits my eyes. If you find your eyelash going too far out your eye, then that means that you need to cut it. But in this case, it fits my eye perfectly. Now I need to get some glue. So what you're going to want to do is make sure you let your lashes sit for about 30 seconds just to help that glue go that little bit tacky so that they will stick to your eyes. Once you find your glue is tacky enough, you can take your little mirror and popping the lashes straight down like that. That looks a little bit crazy, but that's okay. You want to make sure you try and get your lash band as close to your lashes as you can. Otherwise you are going to end up with a little gap in between your natural lashes and the lash band. I find once the lashes are on as well, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and squeeze your natural lashes with the fake eyelash, just so they blend together. What makes this heart beat faster? Once you've gone ahead and applied your eyelashes, that is your easy glam look done using 2 shades from the Treasure Chest palette. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. And follow us on Instagram. What makes this heart beat faster?